We are joined now by Dr. Todd Ellerin, Director of Infectious Diseases at South Shore Health, to talk about COVID-19. Doc, it's always great to see you. You bring so much to us every week. So Governor Baker confirmed today what we already know, that the trends are going in the wrong direction. He says, and these are the governor's words, showing no sign of changing. So let me ask you simply, what are your concerns right now?
Well, Ed, I think my concerns are similar to yours. You know, we want to make sure that we're not recreating another COVID loop and looking at the same numbers of patients rising, hospitalizations increasing, and deaths following. So we really want to try to reverse that. I think the governor is trying to do that with some of the curfews and trying to limit the crowds and capacity in various venues. But we each have to do, our best as well, with the knowledge that transmissions are occurring more indoors now, and it's that much harder because, as you know, this virus loves indoor atmosphere.
But doctor, you've said week after week as we've gone through this coronavirus that you're better prepared, that hospitals, doctors, nurses, emergency personnel better prepared.
It's true, Maria, and let me just say some facts. We have patients are spending less time in hospitals, so the length of stay is shorter. Less patients who are hospitalized are going to our intensive care units, and more patients who come to our intensive care units are surviving and being discharged. So it's very good progress, but if we remember that we don't have unlimited space. So if we exceed hospital capacity, it's not just about the COVID-19 patients. It's about the traumas, the strokes, our patients who are having heart attacks, our cancer patients. We have to give them the same amount of care. So we want to be careful and not exceed our capacity.
So to continue that point, Dr. Ellerin, we heard yesterday of Pfizer's 90% efficacy on their vaccine. We heard last night about Lilly's therapeutic treatment. Are these greatly encouraging breakthroughs on the front here, or where do they sit on the scale of excitement?
I have one word for you with Pfizer's vaccine and the data. Wow.
Yeah.
I mean, none of us expected over 90% effectiveness. I mean, that is a massive, remember, in a flu season, if our flu vaccine is 50% efficacious, we're excited. So to have a vaccine like that could really be a game changer. And let me tell you something. I think one of the key points about it is it says that the scientists have chosen the right target. That spike protein, antibodies directed against that key that enters the molecular doorway. If we can put a little plastic cap on that key, like we're doing with vaccination, that's what prevents the virus from entering the cells. So I cannot tell you how impressive this is.
We'll take the wow. All right, Dr. Todd Ellerin with South Shore Health. As always, we appreciate your time
Take care,
and
guys.
your thoughts. Thank you so much,
Be
Doctor.
well,
Be
Doc.
well.